5. Sorting clothes with friends at the laundry. Paragraph. In a public laundry environment, friends Joe, Clarice, and Alex are busy sorting and classifying their clothes after washing. They have a variety of items, such as socks, sweaters, ankle boots, ballet flats, and many more. Joe's socks are gray, while Alex's socks are purple. Clarice is wearing a purple sweater, and Joe's sweater is gray. Each item, from denim shorts to hoodies and dress shoes, is carefully organized by color and type. The laundry room is buzzing with the activity of friends sorting their freshly cleaned clothes. True/false questions. 1. The friends are sorting clothes in a public laundry. 2. Joe's socks are purple. 3. Clarice has a gray sweater. 4. Alex's sweater is purple. 5. Ankle boots are mentioned in the paragraph. 6. There is no mention of ballet flats. 7. A baseball cap is mentioned as an item of clothing. 8. The paragraph mentions a yellow sundress. 9. Joe's socks are described as green. 10. The laundry room is quiet with no activity. A. Hey there. How are you doing today? How was your week? B. Hi. I'm good, thank you. My week was alright, just busy with some stuff. How about yours? A. Glad to hear you're doing well. My week was good too, thanks for asking. Alright, today, let's dive into a bit of reading comprehension. Cool with you? B. Absolutely. I'm ready. A. Great. So, who are the friends in the paragraph? B. The friends in the paragraph are Joe, Clarice, and Alex. A. Awesome. Where are they, and what are they doing? B. They are in a public laundry environment, and they are sorting and classifying their clothes after washing. A. Fantastic. Can you name some of the items mentioned in the paragraph? B. Sure, there are socks, sweaters, ankle boots, ballet flats, denim shorts, hoodies, and dress shoes. A. Great job. What color are Joe's socks, and what about Alex's socks? B. Joe's socks are gray, and Alex's socks are purple. A. You got it. What color sweater is Clarice wearing? B. Clarice is wearing a purple sweater. A. Perfect. How are the items, from denim shorts to hoodies, organized? B. Each item is carefully organized by color and type. A. Impressive. What's the atmosphere like in the laundry room? B. The laundry room is buzzing with the activity of friends sorting their freshly cleaned clothes. A. Well done. You nailed it. Keep up the good work. B. Thanks. I appreciate it. Have a great day. A. You too. Keep shining. 6. A stylish welcome. Joe's introduction to the club.